For the introduction, sleep duration plays an important role in daily life and can affect stress level among male aged 25 to 13 years. This study examines the relationship between sleep duration and stress level, better understand the importance of healthy sleeping habits and mental well-being. So, what we can see here is a table which is the comparison between sleep duration and stress level for male between 25 years to 13 years old. So, for the Maple calculation, we use Maple first and do a restart, which is we use the command restart semicolon, and then after that we use with linear algebra and with plots to make sure we are using linear algebra method. So after that, we insert the data of x and y from our table before, and then after we give the comment, and as we can see, we can get the output of x and y. After that, we use p equals to point plot x, y, and symbol is cross while the color is red, and the symbolize is 10. And then after we use that command, we can get the output which is on graph. As you can see here, we have 5 dot which is minus 10, but we have the same value on x and on y. So that's why we not get 10 data from the graph. So after we get x and y and we put it on the graph, next we want to find the next, which is A transpose B and A transpose A. So as you can see, this output are the what we want to find for. So for the A, we conclude all the x, y, and A1 into one matrix. After that, we want to find AY, which is A and Y. So after we got the AY, we use reduced row echelon form to AY, and then we get the output. Next, we want to find the A transpose. So A transpose AT equals to transpose A. After we get the A transpose, we must calculate ATA, which is A transpose dot A. For the command, we use ATA equals to AT dot A, and then we get the output. So after we get that, we must calculate the determinant A. So determinant A equals to determinant of A transpose A. After we got that, we can finally calculate for A transpose B, which is A transpose Y. So as you can see from the calculation, we got A transpose B equals to 17,461.9 and 3,046.69. So after we got that, we want to calculate the M, which is how we determine it, which is M equals to ATA and ATB. So we got the calculation for M. After that, we want to reduce the M into the maximum. So we use reduced row echelon form for M, and we got that 10035.3711 negative 0 1 negative 0, which is 0, and negative 7.4458. For the last row, 0 0 1 0.471875. So after we got that, we use the last column, which is the number, to put in the line, which is we got y equals to 35.3711 minus 7.4458x plus 0.4719x squared. After that, we use O equals to plot y and x, what we got earlier, and then we display the p, comma, o. So after we got that, we got the best least square for the graph, for the data what we want to use earlier. Next, we want to find the vector error, so we use the answer from the line earlier, which is 35.3711, negative 7.4458, and lastly 0.4719. So we put the answer earlier to the matrix, and then we use error equals to y minus a dot answer, which is the answer we got earlier from the line, and then we got the error. So after we get the error, we use MAT underscore error equals to normal error 2. So after we got that, we got the answer for the MAT error, which is 1.7691.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norshifa Zika. So now, I would like to present about my manual calculation. Firstly, the data obtained will be written down as an augmented matrix. Then, the matrix will be reduced to obtain the leading one. So, to find the matrix form, we use quadratic equation, which is y equal to a plus bx plus cx squared. Then, we replace the value of x which from sleep duration value. Then, we get a matrix form and convert to augmented matrix of the system. After that, we apply elementary row operation to see if the system is inconsistent or consistent. Since continuing row operations leads to a contradiction where a single variable yields multiple different values, the system is inconsistent. After that, we proceed to apply normal system, which is A transpose AX equal to A transpose B to get best fit quadratic curve. But before that, we need to find the element needed, which is A transpose A transpose B, and determinant of A transpose A. Since determinant of A transpose A is not equal to 0, then the system will have unique solution of least square equation. Then, after got all the elements, we apply the normal system and solve it using reduced row echelon form until it be identity. Lastly, the least square solution and the equation for the best fit curve was shown above. We can define that A equal to 35.3711, B equal to negative 7.4458, and C equal to 0.479055. And we can also write the equation, which is y equal to 35.3711 minus 7.4458x plus 0.479055x squared. After we get the equation, we need to find the error vector by using formula b minus ax equal to e. Then we need to find the magnitude of error vector, and we get 1.796073.102.
Next is conclusion. From the data that we have collected, this study successfully analyzed the relationship between sleep duration and stress level among males aged 25 to 30 years old using the least square method. As a result, it shows that the best fit curve is y equals to 35.3711 minus 7.4458x plus 0.4719x squared, which creates a parabolic U-shaped curve, and the value for magnitude vector error is 1.796073.102 that are obtained from both of the member commas and manual calculation. The conclusion is unhealthy sleeping habits will negatively affect our physical and emotional being and cause stress levels to increase. Thus, we need to discipline ourselves to maintain a stable daily sleep duration around 7.8 to 8 hours to minimize stress levels. As a result, this mathematical model shows that maintaining a healthy sleeping habits can help reduce our stress levels and ensure enough sleep to sustain a healthy lifestyle.